Hey, what's up, everyone, and welcome into the fastest 2 minutes in auto repair. This is the rundown with Kevin and Tony. Tony, it's tariff time. A lot of new tariffs coming into play in the market. How is that impacting the economy?
Yeah, so today's actually go live date for the tariff. So we're seeing 25% on Mexico and Canada, and a lot of cars are coming from those countries. In fact, some estimates are showing that we might see by the end of the year a $10,000 increase on new car values. Some other reports came out, and I know you got some data on it. What are we looking for used car and new car values right now?
Yeah, so new car values already on the way up as of February. They were over $48,000. That's an average monthly payment of about $737. Used cars were about 25,000, 25,500. That's an average payment of about $520. So we can definitely see those increases for new cars as they come out affect that even further. How's that's going to affect the auto repair market?
Yeah, honestly, I don't think it is because one of the other interesting data points is consumers are keeping their cars for, on average, 12 and a half years. So it's a great leading indicator that people are willing to put more money into their cars. And, you just noted how expensive a new vehicle is. So it's a lot cheaper to maintain what you got versus going to the lot and buying a brand new car. But I'm curious how that circles back to what we're seeing for average repair orders in the shops.
Yeah, on the rundown, we talk about average repair order, ARO, a lot. The highest estimates that we see across our products right now are about $680. While that's a bit larger and it has increased, it's still technically less than a new car payment, especially as we've seen with these new tariffs going into activation mode. So it is going to bode well for the auto repair industry and probably even more reason to trust software and technology and get those things working together. With what we did last week at Vision and now upcoming in the next couple of weeks with ATI, I think we'll have a lot of opportunities to work with our partners and customers and really understand what the fruit of that ends up becoming. Thanks everybody for attending the rundown. That's been the fastest 2 minutes in auto repair.